All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at Edgewater with Jesse Sue. There's old Jesse Sue and good old Josh Bittercoffer. Yeah, baby. Going for some walleye. Stay tuned. Boom, baby, boom.
Nice. Boom. Boom. 2 tickets. 12. Boom.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be a wrap for today on this beautiful Thursday. Well, we went through some serious rain, but we pulled through and we got our 12 fish. Thanks for watching, and spoons and flicker shad. Anywhere between 40 foot of water to 46 foot of water. Boom. Josh, what do you think?
Yes, sir. Boom.
Boom, baby.